What is the sum of the solutions of the two equations below? 8x equals 12. 2y plus 10 equals 22. If you want to take a minute and pause the video, try to work it out, you can do that now. So this is kind of an interesting question because when I read the directions, it tells me to find the sum of the solutions. So I know I'm going to find a solution to the first equation, which is 8x plus 12. And then I'm going to find a sum to the second solution, which is 2y plus 10 equals 22. But then I need to add those two solutions together because that's what a sum is. Sum is the solution to an addition problem. So I'm going to start with the red one, 8x equals 12. When I solve that, I want to get x by itself. It's being multiplied by 8, so I divide by 8. So 12 divided by 8 is 3 over 2. So the solution to the first equation is 3/2. Now look at the second equation, which is 2y plus 10 equals 22. And again, I want to get y by itself. So first I'm going to get rid of the adding 10 by subtracting 10. That gives me 2y equals 12. And now y is being multiplied by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2, which tells me y is equal to 6. So now what are my two solutions? Well, I have a solution of 6 and a solution of 3/2. So what would the sum of those two solutions be? That just means add them. 6 plus 3/2, which again you can put in your calculator, or you can know that that is 6 plus 1.5, which would be 7 1/2. Again, 3 over 2 is 1 1/2 as a mixed number. So that is one of my possible answer choices, which is B. So that means my correct answer here would be B, 7 1/2.